The more you open your life up for display, the more people find a way to drag you down. It's a natural sociological phenomenon. There's something powerful about disappearing and working in the shadows. Becoming unavailable and committing to become the next version of you in secret can be exhilarating, exciting, because you know that when you reappear, your transformation will shock the world. But funny thing is, when you do, you won't care, because you'll learn in the shadows that the only opinion that matters is yours. Let's get into how to do this the right way. I'm going to break it down to the 3 key parts of this for you. First is how to disappear. Second is what to do in the shadows. And third is how to reappear. And if you mess up any part of this, especially the last, you're going to regret it. Let's get it. Now, how do we disappear the right way? Number 1, shut your mouth. Your mouth betrays you much more than you know. You need to get it under control. You will no longer speak openly about your life to anyone else. This includes your family, your friends, your coworkers, no one. The only exception is your life partner, and that's if you know that they want you to succeed and crush it all. I really hope that the answer is a yes. You will have trouble controlling your mouth. It's going to take time. The natural habit we have is to just spill information. It's coded into us for the survival of the species. We need to fight that to really disappear properly. You will need to learn to catch thoughts before they leave your mouth. Become a mystery to everyone, and then you will be able to move in the shadows. Number 2, only care what you think. Everyone doesn't matter anymore. To disappear and stay hidden, you will have to reprogram your mind. You'll have to not care what others think. First of all, they don't care about you. But the problem is, you think that they care about you, and that dictates a lot of your actions. You need to kill that side of you that cares what others think. What you have to do is create a person in your mind. That person is you, and you have to obsess about what that person thinks about you. And that's the only person that matters. Would you be proud of you? Would you be happy about what you did? We're so driven from what others think, you have to cheat and make you the other person. Through this process, you will be less a puppet of others and more in control of your own life. This is not an easy task, and it takes practice and repetition. Share in the comments if you've been able to figure this trick out, and explain how. Number 3, hide your plans. You'll develop some ambitious plans in this journey. You'll get excited. You'll want to share your plans with those around you. Don't you dare. Keep those plans close to your chest, like they are the passwords to your treasure. A healthy way to think about it is to imagine that every part of your plan that leaks out reduces your chances of accomplishing those plans by 5%. Every time you speak about your plans and show them openly to people, you are hurting yourself. You are satisfying others and hurting yourself. Stop being so careless and be surgically intentional. If you need to get advice or benefit from someone's expertise to aid in your planning, then do so with precision and focused intent. Find the exact right person, reveal only the bare minimum, and obtain the knowledge you need and disappear again. Number 4, hide your progress. Progress will come. It may take some time, but it will arrive. And you'll notice that progress is more easily had when you disappear. But don't let anyone see it. Don't show off your improved physique. Don't show off your improved wealth. Don't show off your new skills. Just focus on progressing even more. Disappearing is only worth it if it gets you through the entire transformation. Going back to your old ways mid-transformation will probably reverse all of the progress you've made, and you'll be back at square one. You will feel the natural urge to share about the changes you are seeing in your life. You will have to flex your willpower and keep things boxed in. Use that energy to pour more fuel into your efforts. Recycling that energy can help get you to the next level in your journey. And we are all about life level ups on this channel, so like and subscribe to stay included in the discovery and discussion. Number 5, hide your tears, blood, failures. Going ghost mode or monk mode or whatever, basically crushing it in the shadows is going to be tough. You're going to be physically hurt, be mentally fatigued, and you may bleed or cry after facing filter after filter that stand between you and progress. What would be your instinct at each wall? Maybe go complain about it to a close friend? Or go receive some words of comfort from your family? Yeah, you guessed it. You'll need to shut the metaphorical pie hole and bleed, sweat, and cry all by your lonesome. Scream into the wind. Let those tears flow from your face. Patch up your wounds with a first aid kit, but do it yourself. Do it in the shadows, and let it build your strength and character. Let each moment of rock bottom be the moment of catapulting you to another level of performance. It's those moments of pain that a new you emerges. Embrace that pain and go as far as looking forward to it. True beast mode. And now, we're ready to transform. Number 1, pick your targets. What are you going to transform? It's simple. To become something through this process, you need to know what that something is. Be specific about this. What is it that you want to build? Want to be absolutely jacked and unrecognizable? Want to have a money printing business? Whatever it is, be very clear on what you want to accomplish. Write it down. Put it up in places that you can see it. But remember, no one else can see it. Number 2, revolve your life around crushing it. Every waking hour should be planned to drive towards your goals. Be obsessed. You will need the mentality that this is your one chance in life. Dedicate your every breath to it. Everything that you do should be intentional and should be to aid you in crushing it. Move to an apartment that is close to the gym or exercise class that works well for your goals. Join a class that teaches you the skills needed to accomplish your goals. Time box your day so that you are spending at least a few hours on working on your transformation each day. Dedicate a day to looking at your plan, updating it, tracking your progress towards your goals, and breaking down the larger goals into smaller, manageable goals. Do all that it takes. Number 3, reprogram your mind. Happiness is crushing it. You're going to have to love this disappearing act. You will have to love crushing it in the shadows. You will feel everything is quite strange at the beginning, but eventually, you will find yourself enjoying the pain and not being seen. This is going to include a shift in your thinking, a reprogramming of your mind. It is something that will be a part of your positive transformation, so embrace it and help the change occur. After you've accomplished your transformation, you can reappear. But actually, something very interesting will have happened along the way. This reappearing back into society is something you won't need anymore. If you do this right, you won't care to reappear. You'll have now become one with the shadow. Your life will have transformed beyond your expectations. You will always keep crushing it and will keep pushing towards bigger goals, better goals, and you will remain a mystery to most. And you'll find that you found a calming peace in the shadows, and that you found a new life that you enjoy far greater than what you had before.